if you are also an aspiring international student, you are in the right video. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I am Ayush Kumar and I am pursuing my master's in computer engineering from ASU, and I am on 100% scholarship. So, my main motive behind my master's in ASU in US was specifically that I didn't want to hear people say that he is doing all of this on his father's money. I come from a normal family. It's not that I am from a very high and high class family. So it is a normal family. And I'll give a very quick background about things that have been happening in the US, about US education, about how things have been going on for me. MS and CS, the total fee for 4 semesters in ASU is $58,000, which sums up to around 50 lakhs rupees in INR. And there are multiple ways that you can get funded: RATE positions, scholarship from universities, staff position, which very few people know about. So the RATE positions are like very popular and hence it is very competitive. Scholarship from universities is like, it is not 100% mostly, but it also depends on luck. So it is a 50-50 kind of factor. And the staff position, it is like 100% tuition fee waiver up to 9 credits each semester. And in MS, you just take 9 credits each semester, basically in general. So the fee is completely waived off, and it is not that competitive, but it is hard to get. Mark my words, it is hard to get one. So initially I was a student worker 4, and which is just a normal student worker job. Later I got converted into a benefits eligible staff position, which waived off my complete fee for third and fourth semester. So this was how things happened. If you have not been following me, I know you might not know that how things have been going on in the past and how I've been dodging things, how I've been taking care of things. But this was a quick thing that has been happening, which I wanted to let you know. But what about first and second semester? How did I take care of that fee? Let's discuss in detail. So the backstory was, in my first semester, I had 3 scholarships at ASU. First one was NaMU Scholarship, and it was around $3,000. Second was Engineering Graduate Scholarship, which was $500. Rest I had to pay out of pocket. In second semester, I received a scholarship from Microsoft's ex-COO, and he was the vice president also. So it was around $10,000, and which helped me cover major part of my second semester's fee. In addition to that, in this semester, I had NaMU scholarship as well, plus the engineering graduate scholarship. So I had to pay a very trivial amount. I remember it was around $3,000 or something, and I was earning also at that time. I had a student worker job, as I told you before. So I had my savings and I paid that. So this was how things were happening. And like, in my second semester itself, I have a script written. I generally write it so that I do not miss on the important points, and I share every single detail with you. So in my second semester itself, I started working with a professor, and I was speaking to a lot of other people also, to just to explore potential funding. And at that time also, I spoke to my manager, where I was working as a student worker. And given the quality of work, I told him that this professor is kind of offering me a RA position. So would you be able to offer me something which can help me cover my tuition? So I my work was kind of, I am efficient and I deliver quality work. I'm not bragging about myself, but yeah, the scene was such. So they didn't want me to go, and they did offer me a benefits eligible staff position. A benefits eligible staff position. Now, what is it? In that, you are a university employee. I don't know about other university, but the universities in Arizona do this. You are a university employee, and your insurance is taken care of. You receive a qualified tuition reduction program. It is a program at ASU, and which helps you cover the tuition part, your tuition, while you pursue your education. You can do your job also. I just told you about that, the 9 credits thing. So this is what it is. And after that, the staff position was something which was attracting me more, because it gives you more advantage other than your a normal RATA job, because of the health insurance also, because health insurance is around 1700 $1800 per semester. So if your employer is paying for it, why would you want to pay for a student's health insurance out of your pocket, right? So this was how it was going on. So two things happened before the start of my third semester. I had a benefits eligible staff position. Plus, luckily, I got the Herbold scholarship again from the Microsoft's ex-COO, and he just offers this scholarship to 5 7 students, 10 students, a very minimal amount throughout the entire US. And I was selected by him again, and the amount was again $10,000. So in my third semester, my staff position had already covered my tuition, and I paid $0 for it. And the amount that I got from Herbold, the Herbold scholarship, that was credited into my bank account. So now I had a good sum of money in my bank account also. So in my fourth semester, I'm again about to pay $0, total $0. And this was how it went about. Now, I had to take care of a lot of things. It didn't happen all at once. There were a lot of ups and downs that I had to face. Only I know what I was going through, because it's just that the grass looks greener on the other side. But the amount of hard work that I had to put in, the perseverance, the research, everything was like so much. I'm falling out of words, but I hope you would be able to relate what I'm wanting to say. So my only suggestion for you would be, do not compare yourself with others. Everyone has their own problems, and everyone has their own situations which they have to take care of, and you are unique in yourself. I just follow this object, this agenda, this whatever you call. I think, I manifest, and I work for it. Other than that, I leave everything on God. Mind you, I'm telling you this, till the very last, things were so hard that I thought that, nah, I would not get the staff position now. But God was there, and He was seeing the amount of hard work that I was putting since last 1 year, and therefore I was rewarded with it. So this was what I wanted to share with you in this video. I received a lot of doubts that, Ayush, how did you do it? So this is how I did it. This is how I took care of everything. If I had my younger brother right here, all the things that I would tell him, I told you guys. So there's nothing more that's hidden. There's no need to message me again that, Ayush, how did you do it and stuff. I shared it with you. If there's anything else that you want me to cover, please let me know. I will surely make a video on that, because I also want that you guys do not face problems while you're here. Because at my time, I didn't have a lot of resources. I will not say resources, to be honest. I will not say resources, but I had to figure out things on my own a lot. And I just want to make sure that it's a easy peasy work for you. And if there's anything else, please let me know. I'll see you in the next one. Take care, bye. Or do subscribe to the channel if you already haven't. We are planning something more and more kind of interesting content in 2025. I'll see you. Bye bye.